Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. First of all, you have to open your web browser and type this on your Google search engine, and then you have to type in the name of the application you want to download. For instance, I will give a space and I will type in the name of the application which is causing the problem, and you will see the name of the application on the top search result along with the website name. Select the top search result. So this is the exact application. I will click on old versions, and then I will be able to see all of the versions. For instance, this version was released on October 14, August 20. So what you have to do is you have to download an old version. For instance, I will download the August 20 version. And then I will scroll down, click on download XAPK, and XAPK file will be downloaded on my phone. Once downloaded, what you have to do is open your Google Play Store, go to search, and type in XAPK, hit enter. You will see this application. Download this application and click on open. Once opened, select installed XAPK files. Select manually select, or you can also search xapk.xapk on the search. This is the application which I have just downloaded. I will select that and click on update the application. If you're getting this kind of error, then what you have to do is uninstall the original application. Once uninstalled, click on install again. The app was installed successfully. Now open the application you have just installed. Now as you can see, the error has been fixed, and that's simply how you can fix your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.